And this looks like a pretty great design smaller van called the Citroen Holidays for the 2025 edition. And we shall be looking at the actual kitchen setup area that can be removed from the inside of the actual van and attach the actual table to the outside, so you have this camping ground situation with the actual kitchen, original kitchen from your inside. That's pretty clever. The kitchen actually stored right up there. These are two sitting bench with all the actual accessories and actual fridge on that part right there. This is the front part for the actual Citroen Holidays, and getting on the back there is also a shower attachment unit with additional cabinets right up there and additional storage for your water tanks. You can store pretty much all the other items on the back, and also with the pop-up roof you will be able to sleep almost 4 people in a smaller bedside situation right up there. This looks pretty genius, and the actual price pack for this Citroen Holiday Pack Max with all the specs and features is 60,000 euros. There you go, and it's just 4.98 millimeter long. Not bad, with a powerful engine. There you go, Citroen Holiday.